James, thank you and good morning. Cooler conditions Bay Area wide today. That's really the big weather story for today. We'll have breezy conditions out there as well, and that's going to bring our temperatures down, but it will still be nice. This morning, mainly cool conditions around the Bay Area. We are dealing with coastal and bay fog, but as we continue through the morning, that fog continues to pull back to the coast. By the afternoon, we all should be in the clear, but with a very weak system heading our way, it starts to break down that ridge of high pressure that's dominating our forecast. So we will see breezy conditions and cooler temperatures for the afternoon, and pretty mild and gusty for tomorrow as well. Here's a look at your afternoon highs for today. Sunshine all around the Bay Area. Cooler temperatures, 71 for Redwood City, a little bit warmer in Sunnyvale at 74. As you head farther south for places like Almond Valley, Evergreen, it gets warmer, 71 for Fremont. We'll have a couple of 80s out there, not very many, but it will be warm in places like Antioch at 80, Livermore 80 degrees for you, but cooler and more comfortable in Walnut Creek at 76 degrees, mainly 70s for the North Bay as well. 72 for Petaluma, 74 for Napa, and then the closer you are to the coast, the more you'll feel those sea breeze winds and those cooler conditions. 60 for Ocean Beach, 61 expected for Daly City. The Giants are home tonight. First pitch at AT&T Park, 7:15. If you're heading to the game, you will need something for your arms because it will be breezy out there, partly cloudy and mild for the game. So just be prepared for that. Gusty for tomorrow as well. We still will see those temperatures come up just a little bit for your Wednesday. They're back down by Thursday, just sort of up and down as we head through the week with no major changes. So look for highs in the mid to upper 70s as we head into the weekend, and your Easter weekend, that's shaping up to be very nice and comfortable as well.